Lelystad Tower, taxi holding point, Sierra 1, runway 23.
Taxi Sierra 1, runway 23, Papa Hotel India Foxtrot, Romeo. Light instruments are set.
Delta Alpha Alpha, frequency change
Camera
approved,
set.
fijne dag.
Yeah, extra. Alright.
Papa Hotel Sierra van Tango, Golf 1, goedemorgen. Double
Let's
transmission on
taxi.
the radio, stand by please. Lelystad Tower, goedemorgen, de Papa Kilo Alpha Foxtrot, frequency taxi. Papa Hotel Delta Alpha India, runway 23, clear touch and go, the wind 230 degrees, 9 gusting 17. Clear touch and go, runway 23, order the wind, Papa Alpha India. Papa Hotel Zulu Uniform Tango, did you call? Even, ready for taxi. Papa Hotel Zulu Uniform Tango, taxi on the point, Sierra 3, runway 23. Sierra 3, runway 2. Wind 240 degrees, 9 gusting 17. Sierra 3, clear takeoff, cockpit, traffic ahead, Papa Uniform Tango.
Okay, so run up. Parking brake is set. Taxi lights are off. Fuel pump aux is on. Fuel selector valve is set to
Over the
full
mic in the Sierra, contact Lelystad arrival 134530, bye bye. 134530, bye bye, over the mic in the Sierra.
It is. Propeller level full forward. Engine parameters. Oil is above 50.
Papa Lima Delta,
Everything else is
helicopter
green.
on the wind is for the
Seen no
Bravo
flags.
departure. Fuel left turn out to Toronto.
Fuel pressure
runway
check.
23, clear for takeoff. Wind is 230 degrees, 8 gusting 17. Clear for takeoff, runway 23, do look out for
Very
helicopter,
good.
we turn left towards
Throttle level is shortly full.
Papa India, now is 23 for taxi.
Okay.
Papa India, number 1. Papa India.
1770. Engine parameters, fuel pressure check, good.
Papa Sierra Tango Whiskey, Lelystad Tower, hello, cleared on the mic arrive for runway 23. Weather information, Victor, and the Q&A is on 016.
Lane B checks. Lane A, light. 5 X's. Lane B on. X is gone. Better. And lane B light off. Lane A.
Papa, here it is, frequency change approved, fijne dag.
Engine.
Papa,
Red X's. Back on. X is gone. Gone. Lane A. Gone. Okay, propeller lever decrease 1565 3 times. 1. Back up. Follows closely. 2. Back up. Follows closely. 3. Back up. Follows closely. The importance of what I'm doing is not lost.
runway 23, clear touch and go, the wind is 0 degrees, 9 gusting 16.
Air on. Manifold temperature is increasing. Also air good. Locked. Throttle 820. Fuel pump check. Fuel pump aux off and fuel pump on.
Uniform Tango Tower. Uniform Tango Go. For information, 2 times traffic at 12 and 11 o'clock moving northeast, currently 2,000, climbing 3,000 feet. Roger, thanks, no Uniform Tango and over at Bravo. Uniform Tango, frequency change approved, fijne dag. Frequency approved, stand by op Uniform Tango.
Let's try this again. Fuel pump aux off. Okay. That was weird. Fuel pump box on, fuel pressure increases. Alright, the main fuel pump didn't engage. Let's try one more time. Main fuel
The
pump
pump
off.
of India request left for departure.
Main fuel
Pump of
pump
India,
on.
clear for departure, release. Clear for departure, pump of India.
Master switch. Okay, I'm happy with that. Main fuel pump is now working. Takeoff briefing. We are taking off runway 23. 55 is rotation, 70 is climb, and we do our normal checks, which are DL 300, prop back,
Right and
fuel
circuit
pumps
500 feet,
both are
runway
on.
23, clear takeoff, wind is 210 degrees, on balance. Right, circuit 500 feet, take this, take it 500 feet, button down for shot.
Heat heat as required, flight controls are free and correct. Pitch trim check neutral. Transponder is checked. 7,000. Landing lights are on. Taxi lights are off. Seatbelts checked and fastened. Canopy closed and locked. Parking brake is released. Which is released. Line up and wait. Runway 23, number 2. Papa Hotel India Foxtrot Romeo.
Papa Foxtrot Romeo, right in circuit, 500 feet, runway 23, cleared for takeoff, wind is 210 degrees, 10, cresting 15.
Papa Foxtrot Romeo, clear for takeoff, touch and go, 500 feet.